Alright, what's up guys, it's your boy Kaz, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do animated water in Blender like this. Alright, before we do jump into the video, I want to invite you guys to follow me on Instagram, CosmicCoArt, and on TikTok as well, CosmicCoArt. Trust me, you want to stay tuned, something big coming up very soon. Anyways, that being said, let's jump right into the video. First thing you want to do, of course, is open up Blender really quick. And once you have your Blender opened up, you want to get rid of our defaults. We're going to go ahead and I'm not only showing you how to add the water, but I'm also going to show you how I set up the whole scene like on my preview, because you guys have been requesting that a lot lately. So we're going to go ahead and add a cube. We're going to scale this by 8. We're going to scale this on the Z axis, so we're going to make this a bit flat like so. And once you have this, you want to go ahead and bring in any logo. I invite you to bring in your logo, follow along. So bring in any type of logo icon that you have saved as an SVG. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and bring in my logo. So COS for COS. And here I got it. So this is my logo right here. I got 3 shapes. So GZ, bring it up, and we're going to scale by 15. I think this should be good enough. Let's bring this a bit bigger. DY. All right, so these 3 shapes right here, I don't need them. I'm just gonna merge them into one. So Control J to do that. And you want to go to Object Data Property, click down on this Geometry tab, and we're gonna extrude this a lot like so. So now you go into the front view by clicking one on your keypad, GZ to bring it down like so. And we're gonna right click and convert this into a mesh. Click on your cube and you're gonna go to the modifier tab. We're gonna add a Boolean modifier. And for the object, we're going to select our COS or icon, whatever logo you might have in there. Once you have that selected, you want to click on this drop down and apply the modifier and get rid of your logo or icon. So now we have a indentation on your cube like so. Now that you have this though, you want to right click, you want to click on your cube and you want to add another modifier. So let's add remesh. And just select sharp and bring this up to, I would say 7 should work. The higher you go, the more details it's gonna have, but just know it's gonna take a toll on your computer, so you don't have to go that high. Just make sure that as long as it looks good, that's all you need. So, and also remove disconnected. It's gonna give you a better option too. So bring this up. I would say honestly I'm gonna do about 9. I think with 9 I could work, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the modifier as well. So now that you have this, you want to go to sculpting, and on sculpting we're gonna go ahead and select the smooth brush 0.1 over here on the strength, and you want to go zoom out, F to scale it up, and you want to go ahead and make sure you smooth this whole thing. Doesn't have to be a lot, but enough to the point where like you can see some nice edges on your icon. So you can see now if you go to layout, you could actually have a better look on the shape what you had before, just because before it was too sharp to the point where like you couldn't, you know, differentiate. I think that's the word. Correct me if I'm wrong. But anyways, I'm pretty sure you guys know what I mean if you look at that before and after. But that being said, now we're gonna add our water. So Shift A, add a plane, scale by 8 as well. And you want to bring this up a bit, somewhere around there. And this is going to act as our water. So to do that water now, we're going to go into shading. We're going to add a new one. And for the color, you could keep it at a nice, maybe blue if you want. And for the roughness, you want to bring the roughness all the way down. You want to make sure, let's go into cycles. Let's go to cycles, GPU compute selected. Let's go to the render view. And we're going to add some quick light. So let's add an area light, GZ, bring it up a bit, somewhere around there, bring it up. And you want to bring up the strength or the power on this. Let's do 500 for now, GZ, bring it up a bit more. Say that should work for now. So now click back on your plane and we're gonna add a bump. We're gonna add a bump node and make sure that the bump node goes connected to the normal. And we're gonna add a noise texture, and we're gonna connect that to the height. We're gonna go to 4D, and you wanna bring this to about 0.5. All right, so for the strength on your noise texture, make sure you set it to 20, or you could go down. So basically this is just gonna show you the details in it. Make sure you have 4D selected, by the way. Roughness, we're gonna bring this all the way up like so. And for the details, we're gonna add some more details, not much. Let's bring down the scale slightly. I think this should pretty much work. So now that you have your color of your choice, you could even, honestly, if you're gonna go realistic and you're on cycles, you could bring up the transmission and you'll be able to see some depth in there. And all you would have to do is move the plane a bit higher and you'll see it actually looks like a pool and like you have something in there. But in this case, we're gonna stay on the Eevee. Just make sure you have your balloon, your screen sprays, and motion blur turned on. And pretty much to animate it now, you would just want to bring your timeline up. Make sure you have timeline selected. Go to the first frame and just click I on your W and go to the last frame and move this slightly a bit. So 0.05 should honestly work. I to insert it. And as you can see, now you have moving water. Now it is very slow animation. If you want to make this go faster, all you would have to do is go 0.1 and insert that frame, and if you click space, it moves a bit faster. And if you want it to move super fast though, what you would have to do is go 0.1, or not even, let's do 1 and insert that keyframe. And if you go back and you hit space, as you can see, it moves a whole lot faster. And that's how you do this fake water in Blender animated, and this would be pretty cool to do things like this. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to drop a like down below, comment what you want to see next, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification button, because you do not want to miss out on any future videos. With that being said, I'm out.